Well, this is my first version of this. We have an iPhone setup. We have a VHS camera over here from when I was a kid. And then we have my iPhone set up as a screen record through OBS. The idea behind this is I can actually just talk for like 7 or 8 minutes. I can just be cutting in between things, and then I can upload it straight to YouTube. One thing is for sure, I'm having so much fun. What we're doing here is we're finding a way that I can shoot as much as humanly possible, but then not edit, and then have something that's visually interesting for the viewer, so that when we come to upload, it's just seamless and everything is already uploaded, rather than spending time editing. This isn't me being lazy editing. I can actually edit like you wouldn't believe. I actually have 15 years of editing skills and directing, which is why I can do this and have this set up with an OBS system. This is my camera that I had when I was a kid. It looks amazing. This one is the first phone I got. I believe it was like an iPhone 14, and I'm using it to screen record. And then this is my new camera right now. You can see a photograph in the bottom corner of me smiling when I'm setting it up. I think this looks awesome. Oop, that's also something new. I think that'll stay for a little bit. No, I think this might be the first broadcast, first of many, hopefully. Hopefully it sounds great. I want to know if I can add anything at the end. You can go ahead and like it, not editing it out. Don't have time. These are going to be like, I'm not sure if it's going to be journal entries or if it's going to be advice from what I've learned about acting, being a dad, my old job as a director, or training for roles. It just felt poignant to make the investment into YouTube because I've been a fan of YouTube since it started. I actually gave a lecture at university about the reasons why I loved YouTube. And it was just me watching videos like the classics. Isn't it brilliant? Lithium battery, 360. Wide shot's pretty cool, might move that. Oh, this is fun. This is very fun. This is a live switch between these, so I can just, oh wait, what's that one? Brilliant. And that way I can just talk, don't even need to edit. Could do daily vlogs. Man, this is so much fun. There's so much potential. But anyway, this is the first broadcast of many, and taking the skills that I've had 15 years, but applying it to making sure that I can be as streamlined as possible. Press A, S, or D. A, S, D. Well, have some sort of rhythm to it. And then look straight at the camera. This one's your A cam, so deliver some information. Look at the camera, don't look at the monitor.